video I want to show you everything that is wrong with the interior of my 500 SL, which I'm going to restore. As you can see, the walnut part of the dashboard is a really bad condition, and it's standing up. This is not working anymore. I'm missing a button right here, and someone drilled a few holes in it, presumably for some switches, but that's something that I need to fix when I'm going to restore this car. And if you look at the wood trim in the dash, you can also see that I'm missing a piece right here, which is really not really good to look at. The center console itself, it's missing some pieces here. Well, it's not missing, but it's actually dry and brittle. I will be painting the whole interior, so that means side panels, dashboard, seats, also these window trims you can see right here. I will wait for the phone to focus. It's all in blue suede, presumably because it's a different color. You can also see it down there. It's also wrapped in suede. That will all be painted in the appropriate color. The dash has some cracks in it. You can see cracks here along the side. These cracks will be filled and vinyl painted as well to match the interior. I have a broken window, a broken switch bezel. You can see it here. It's broken. That needs to be fixed. This car actually has lights that can be adjusted in height. That's pretty cool. Missing the buttons on here, and the dash. There's a lot of dust inside, so I will be showing how to clean out the dash. But you can also see right here that the red foil on the back of the light is actually broken. I will be replacing that as well. What's not working is the cruise control. I will be showing how to fix the cruise control as well. What is not working is the fan. All the buttons do nothing. I will be showing how to measure and fix the automatic climate control as well. And this car actually has heated seats, so this wooden dash piece is not appropriate for the car. So I will be putting in 2 extra switches for the heated seat controls, which is here, supposed to be here, but it's not here in the bezel. The wiring is of course is present. So the seat, so there are some craquelé you can see here in the center console. I will be fixing this craquelé as well, painting the new armrest, and fixing also in the back here. Someone put suede on the back, presumably because there was a jump seat in the back, but they took out the jump seat and replaced it with some of this suede, which is really ugly. And the compartment down here has a black carpet, so I will be changing out the carpet as well, including the side pieces of trim. Also inside, you can see this is the hardtop currently on. I have a soft top, but that's in really bad shape. I will be changing the soft top as well. So stay tuned for a video on the soft top. But you can also see some discoloration. It's yellow, it's supposed to be white. I will show some videos on how I make the trim white again. So it will be bleached out. There is a formula for the bleach to use, and that will be looking right as new. Also, there is some discoloration on the vinyl part of the soft top hood. That will be colored as well. Unfortunately, the white seams you can see there, the French stitching, that will turn blue due to the coloring process, but that's something I can live with. That's not a big problem to me. So carpet generally is in a good condition. It's dirty, very dirty, but it's pretty good. The steering wheel is pretty good. It's discolored, works though, everything. The logo is nice, but I will be painting this with leather paint. It's not leather, it's vinyl, but it doesn't matter. I will be painting this matte black so that it will match the new interior very well. I think it will look very cool. I have a new radio, not the original one, which is a Becker, but I will also fill out the space that is here and make the car look that much nicer. So works to be done here. I'll get out for a second. You can see that the seat here has some tears in it. Also the filling is out. You see it here. The filling is supposed to be like this. It's like if the foam is worn out. There's some dry craquelé here in the seat. So everything will be fixed. This seat will be fixed with a new piece in it, a new side bolster, new filling in the seat, and then it will be painted as well to match the rest of the car. I will also be painting the dash, fixing the cruise control, fixing some of these bezels. The wooden trim pieces of the dashboard will be replaced. We'll be adding the seat heating control. So stay tuned for more videos on that.